guys, I'm here in morning and it's already nice and warm today. And I have to go to work today. And I will sit in sun. There is someone. Cuckoo sama ba? Oh, it's just quiet. Some butterflies just to pick up this trash. That's what she wants to do. Taking trash away. All the trash. Yeah, it's a 67, but it seems like warmer. Where is he? Where is he? Towarzystwo. What a company. Cuckoo. Dog barking. Phew. I sit in sun and enjoy here for a few minutes before work. I can even tell. Cuckoo. So you saw it, cuckoo. Now dogs barking because cuckoo went away. Or not. See, the trees still don't have leaves, but something growing on them finally. Wow, that sun seems hot. We cut some grass, but it's growing back. That's what I was wanting in past when I was living in city, to have garden or yard, be near nature, and dreams comes true. Now I have yard and I live near nature. especially in summer when I was living in city. It was really annoying to not have some kind of nature near you. What is that thing from me? Yes, it was nice to live near. You know, in summer it's nice when not all the time like between buildings. Oh, so nice today. First time I feel like it's more summer. Summer air, like more smell like summer. That vibes of summer, and summer vibes, warmer air, not cold wind. Yeah, very nice. But I have to start heading to home, preparing for work. Cucurico. Nice sky. Going out of walk. Oh, what's that? Patrzcie, jaki głupi telefon. Idiot phone. I saw some animal and idiot phone didn't want to focus. It was some fox or bobcat. But idiot phone didn't focus. Well done. Idiot phone. Okay, I go because there is some dangerous animal and he will attack me. Oh, this bush smells nice. Maybe I will see him again later, or maybe it recorded. So nice. All day in that warehouse. Tomorrow is supposed to be nice weather. 80s. Almost 90s. And my car acting out again, saying no keys detected. When I have that key, I can't start it. If key inside when I don't put it inside, it says no key detected. And again, we'll have to fix it. Because somehow I don't have money now to save. Right. Also nice. Fucking locked. So far away. Because I still have trouble parking. So in front of the building I couldn't park because I was scared to park in between two cars. I was afraid because it was car of my friend, new car, and I was scared that something happened. Didn't risk it. Of course, yep, let's open it. Because no alarm, because it says no key. Okay. Yes. Wow. Humid here. Let's see, let's start. No key, see? It says no key. But I have key here. Let's put it. Let's start this way. See, on YouTube it was saying that should work, but not in my case. And I put here in that hole. Oh Boże, hope it start. Oh yeah, started. Thank God. Now open window a little bit. This one. And okay. I do this. This is inside or outside? I go inside. Okay, see you later. Ice cream is from Friendlies. It's strawberry, some whipped cream, and also real strawberries under it. Yummy. I'm watching vlogs of Polish vlogger Anjax. She has nice vlogs, but it's in Polish. This one. Anjax. Construction company. Worked on weekends.
No, you are not in any trouble, but you gotta start talking. Hey, Lonzo, did he call you for help one night? Is that what happened?
Yeah.
Okay, good. All right, you just keep telling the truth. We're gonna protect you because it sounds like you got pulled into something bad here. I didn't know. I swear, I didn't know. You didn't know? You didn't know what?
McDonald's, see where you come. Yeah. How do you get into McDonald's from here? McDonald's, guys.
McDonald's.